Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing with a brand new palette release. I'm very excited because we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Snow Angels palette by Dose of Colors. That is right, you guys, this palette just did come out about a week ago or something like that, not too long ago, and I got it in the mail a couple days ago, so I am very excited. We're gonna crack this open and we're gonna do an eye look with it, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's gonna be a fun time. So if you would like to see the review and tutorial on the eyes, then keep on watching. So first things first, here is the packaging. It is very pretty. This is Dose of Colors. This is part of their holiday collection for 2018, and it's so cute. I love the colors in this. See the names on the back right here. As you can see, it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. And then here is what the actual palette looks like when you take it out of the box. It is like this really pretty lilac lavender color, and it says Snow Angels and then Dose of Colors right down here at the bottom. And then again, it has the names on the back. And then when you open it up, here's what it looks like inside. And I just think these colors are so pretty. I think they work really great for the fall/winter time. I love them. I love them. I think they're beautiful, and I don't know what else to say. Now, as you can tell right here, these are obviously swatched. I have already tried these on my eyes. I've already used this palette, so this is not a first impressions, but I do want to do a tutorial on here as well and just kind of show you what they perform like on the eye. I did already do an Instagram video on it, so if you did not see that on Instagram, then I'm going to go ahead and do it for you here as well. So the first thing I want to say about this is okay. So I have used Dose of Colors palettes before. Like, I have the Katie and Desi Perkins one over there that I think is amazing. I think that one's so good. And then that's the only palette that I've ever used from Dose of Colors besides this one. So I have two of them. And I think the palette, I think the shades are great. One thing I will say though is so you get this inside of this. I literally don't understand the point of this. Like, this is a tiny little brush. Like, what? I don't get what you're supposed to do with this. Like, maybe, like, I don't get it. This is the biggest waste of time that I've ever seen in a palette. I don't know why. Why? What's the point? I'm never going to use this. I think the palette is beautiful. You did have to put a brush in there. I think it's great when companies do put brushes in there, but like, make it something that you can use. I don't get this. Do they make these to make the palette cost more or something? I don't know. I think it's useless. So I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I give that to somebody else. But the actual colors in this palette are beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. This is an all matte palette, by the way. So there's 5 shades. I've got 4 right here, and then we'll go back and do the other one in a second. Look at that. That one right there is a little bit light. Let me see here. Let me try that one more time and just see. Okay, so that one's better. That one's better. I think I did it a little too light on this one right here. I didn't get enough on my finger, but that's okay. And then let's go ahead and go in with my thumb here with this last shade. And this one you may not be able to see very well because it is like this taupe color. And then we'll put it right down here, and I did that twice just so you can see because it is such a light color, and that is the one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. I'm very excited, and we're gonna make it happen, Captain. So I'll just zoom you guys in here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion like I always do, so just go ahead and prime your eyes with whatever you like. My hair is so dirty. I'm gonna wash it after this video, but it's so dirty right now. I don't know what to do with it. So first things first, we're gonna go in with a Morphe M518 brush, and we're gonna go into this lightest shade right here, and I do believe this one is called Cashmere. I always have a hard time reading the names if they're on the back. I think, yeah, this one's called Cashmere. So this really light purple color right here. We're going to go in with that and just put that all over the lid and in the crease area. And this is blending out super nicely. Again, I think Dose of I think Dose of Colors shadows blend out really, really nicely. I think they're great shadows, and I don't hear too many people talk about them. I hear people talk about them, but I feel like I don't hear as much as I do others, like other companies. So I really want to give this company a shout out because I think their shadows are really, really good. Same thing to the other eye, windshield wiper motions all over the lid basically, and then really get into that crease just to put down a base shade. Alrighty, so that is that. That is where we have kind of laid down our foundation color. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then we're going to go in with this blue color. We're going to go in with this one right here, and this one is called Pretty Bold, I believe. It's on the back, so Pretty Bold, and I do agree it is bold. I love these blue colors, and we are going to put that in the crease as well, and just kind of back and forth windshield wiper motions, and then just fluff this in the crease. And I do notice with this one, you do have to blend a little more. It is pigmented, but I do realize, like I do notice that these bright colors like blues and purples and stuff like that, you may have to blend a bit more because they are harder to make. So just to get them blended nicely, you may have to go through and then just work them a bit more, which is fine. So just like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Alrighty. So that is good like this. Just make sure that it's all blended out, no harsh edges. And you guys, I don't know what's wrong with this eye right here. If you can see, they're never even. Like this one's up higher. This eye is so hooded. Like, if you can tell, like, look at all that extra skin. Like, this eye is so hooded. I can literally never get them even, and if I try to, this one ends up being way higher than the other one, than my right side, and it ends up looking really weird. So if they're not even, they're never going to be even. I'm sorry that they're not even. Next, we're going to go ahead and take this really dark blue shade called Thin Ice right here, and we're going to take that on a Morphe M506 brush, and we're going to pack that on here and go on the outer portion and just really focus it on the outer. And bring it into the crease just a tiny bit. Just like that. We really don't want to bring it in too far because if we do, it can try to almost turn black, and we don't want that. Perfect. So next, I'm actually going to take this same brush, and also I'm going to use, where is it at? This one right here, the Morphe M508, this really, really tiny packing brush, and we're going to go into this shade right here, this middle one called Berry Cold. I love this color, and we are going to run that along the lower lash line. Oh, I like that. I actually did a different look on Instagram, and I think I like this one better. Awesome. So we got that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take that really, really dark purple shade again and that dark blue shade, and we're going to mix that along with it and then just smoke this out. So that is all for the eyes, you guys. And if you want to, you can go back over with your fluffy brush and get some more of that cashmere shade, and then just kind of put it right here in case like you didn't get enough the first time. Just kind of put a little bit more, because again, these are all matte, so we're not really going to put anything else on the lid, to be honest. So it's just kind of gonna stay like this. But yeah, so that is it for the actual shadow. So next what we're going to do is apply liner. And of course I'm using my Tarte Sex Kitten liner, the one that I use basically every single video because I don't have any other eyeliners to switch up and change. So we're just going to go ahead and do a winged liner. Just like that. On this eye, and do the same thing on the other eye. And then I'm going to go in with my Superstar, nope, that's not it. My Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics, and we're going to go in with that. And there we go. So we got the liner, nope, well yeah, liner and lashes on. I gotta say, so I I've been using this mascara for like since we got the BoxyCharm in the beginning of the month. I like this mascara, but you guys, you gotta be careful with it because it can be Clump City if you're not careful, because I mean it's a very, very wet formula, and I am the person that I actually like the spider look on lashes. I know a lot of people don't, but I kind of like it. I don't know why, but yeah, so that's it for the eyes, and I actually really like this look. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the lips. And for lips today, we're going to be using the KatVonD Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lolita. I almost forgot the name for a second, but we're going to be using this shade. It is a very pretty nude, kind of like mauve shade, if you can see that right there. I still have all these swatches on the back of my hand. I haven't washed them off yet, so don't judge me. Just like that. I love this color. I think it's really, really pretty, and I think it goes well with this eye. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you did like it, you guys. I think this look is very pretty. I think this palette is great. If this is something that you're interested in, these colors may not be for everybody, but if this is something that you are interested in, then I would highly recommend giving it a shot, because I think the colors are really pretty. I think they blend nicely together. I think they complement each other. I hate this, but you know, that's besides the point. I think the palette is great. I think Dose of Colors is a really good brand. So if you are in the market for something like this, or this would be a great little Christmas present as well, because it is compact, it's small. Let me actually look at the website, because I believe it was $35. It was $32 actually, so I highballed it a little bit. It's $32, so if you are in the market for this little palette right here, and they have other ones as well. They have like a more neutral toned one. They have some other ones as well. I'll have Dose of Colors website linked down below for you, so you can go look for yourself. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did like the video today, and if you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.